Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll be sharing some free VPN options for Windows 11. Before we dive in, I want to quickly recommend NordVPN if you're looking for a premium VPN service. You can try it out using the link in the description below. Think of a VPN like sending a secret letter in a special envelope that only your friend can open, and it even hides where it came from. Without a VPN, your online activity is open to anyone. With a VPN, your data is securely wrapped, making it hard for others to see what you're doing online. Here, I connected to a US server on NordVPN by clicking the American flag icon, making my IP appear US based on sites like whatismyipaddress.com. This helps mask my real location for added privacy. Using NordVPN is simple. Just choose a server like Italy to access region-specific content. NordVPN stands out among VPNs for its balance of features, affordability, and over 5,000 servers in 60 countries, giving access to global content. Key features include threat protection, blocking ads, malware, and acting as light antivirus, encrypted remote access with MeshNet, and a dark web monitor for data leak alerts. User-friendly settings like Nord links for speed and security, a kill switch for IP leak prevention, and split tunneling for app-specific VPN use make NordVPN versatile. A single subscription covers up to 6 devices, letting you appear to be in different locations as needed, ideal for accessing accounts without triggering alerts. With encryption to keep traffic private, NordVPN is excellent for streaming, games, and bypassing region locks, backed by a no-logs policy audited independently. It supports torrenting with peer-to-peer servers, making it a comprehensive and secure choice for privacy, streaming, and more. Now let's move to Proton VPN. This is an excellent choice for those who want a secure, free VPN they can keep on all the time and even use for light streaming. With Proton VPN, you get access to servers in 3 countries, the US, the Netherlands, and Japan, and around 70 servers overall, which is impressive for a free VPN. However, speeds can be slow for 2 reasons. The servers tend to be crowded since they're free, and the faster servers are reserved for paying customers. Still, you get essential security features like a kill switch and split tunneling, and there's no data cap, so you can keep using it without bandwidth worries. The downside is that you won't be able to download torrents on free servers, as this would put extra strain on them. Proton VPN is best for users who want a continuous, secure connection and occasionally need access to streaming content. Next up is TunnelBear. This VPN is perfect for users who want to access a wide variety of server locations without having to pay, making it handy for bypassing basic geo-restrictions on websites and accessing international content. TunnelBear has a user-friendly interface and allows you to access all its server locations, though there's a 500 MB data limit, which you might find restrictive. You can extend this limit to 1.5 GB per month if you tweet about the service. One advantage of TunnelBear is that all its features are available for free, including a kill switch and a feature called Ghost Bear, which helps bypass censorship. However, TunnelBear restricts access to streaming services and torrenting, as these activities put a lot of strain on servers. Overall, TunnelBear is ideal for users who want occasional protection on public Wi-Fi and access to a wide server network. Finally, we have Atlas VPN. This is an excellent choice for those who want to download torrents safely with a free VPN. The catch is that there's a 5 GB data limit and speeds can be slower on free servers. Like Proton and TunnelBear, Atlas VPN includes a kill switch to protect your data if the connection drops. Free users have access to 3 locations, 2 in the US and 1 in the Netherlands, and while it's unlikely to work with streaming services, Atlas VPN is a straightforward option that supports torrenting, making it appealing to many users. That's it for this video, guys. If you want to secure your internet experience, make sure to check out NordVPN with the link I have provided in the description below.